I gotta get supplies for Hurricane Steve Harvey. Dude, what did you just call it? Why are you in my house? Oh yeah, you left your door open. It don't mean for you to come in here, dude. Anyways, we're not talking about that. We're talking about Hurricane Steve Harvey that you call it. Or Steve Harvey Hurricane. It's not called Steve Harvey Hurricane. You had it the first time. You should have stuck with that. Oh, whatever. You know what? I don't even want to talk to you. Get out of my house. Nah, I'm just gonna go chill in your bathtub and do some stuff. Alright, fine. You go on now. But you better not boo-boo in my tub. Anyways, what else? I gotta get some supplies, dude. Gotta get some water. Oh, and some chips and yeah, and some Cocoa Puffs and some. Who are you? Dude, you don't look like no Hurricane Steve Harvey. If I was Hurricane Steve Harvey, I could do this. Yeah. Boy, you can't get me. Yay! Let's go! Go! Whoa! Yeah! That dude had just laid a turd in your little bathtub. Hey, dude, where are you? Ah!